Back up. Now you're on the gravel, buddy. Go right here. Okay? You don't want to go past the... Sorry, it's raining. There's an eastbound coming into Port Huron Yard, Port Huron, Michigan. The signal that way. You can see it. It's red, blinking yellow, blinking yellow. Okay? And it's on the far lane, so... Got eastbound coming on the CN1 sub right now. See how close. Yeah, it's getting pretty close. Yeah, I'm gonna back up because I'm not allowed to be on the... Here it comes. Here's the light. I see the light. Let's stand right here, okay? I don't want to go on that because that's gravel basically. Not supposed to be there, so it's close to the tracks, that's why. Getting closer, I hit Allen mode. Filming with my phone for this one because it's raining out and I don't want to use the tripod right now. My tripod broke, so it's raining harder now. Here it comes, it's coming fast. We might back up. There's the gates. Seriously? Back up. Back up. My favorite unit. Wave. I'm waving. Coming fast. It's the A492. First I saw a glow up there, the bottom glow, so I knew it was coming. You know, here it is. Doing pretty quick. Card. This one's from Emmett, so we don't believe at this place, so that's alright. The one in Richmond was going fast too, but we're going about the same speed. So is this one, you know? Uh-oh, what was that? Cars are baiting for it. Sounds like stuff, you know? Tanker. Here, better? I just don't want to shine at that car. Lumber car. More lumber. If he honked at me, you see that? He has to wave his flashlight. Kind of cool. Raining. On one. Look at that. Here. White tankers now. Goes.